Good morning children, class 3 and 4. Today we are going to make an aeroplane. Okay, so look how I'm making, and like this way you have to draw. This is the shape. First of all we will draw this. Then look at the picture nicely how I'm making, because it's the same way you have to draw. Okay, this is, what is it? You know it very well. Okay, so this goes like this. This will be connect like this. Okay, then some designs will be here like this. Okay, then some designs must be here like this, like this, like this. So what is left? Yes, the windows and the front seat, what we call cockpit picture. Window, window and window. Okay, 3 windows, and above all make some clouds so that it can show that the aeroplane is flying, it's in the air. Okay, so make it and color it nicely. Okay.